Hey honeys, welcome and or welcome back to my channel. So yes, the face is already beat. I'm not gonna keep you too long. We're gonna get into the video. I just want to apologize ahead of time for any background noise you guys might hear. Do a 90s inspired updo. It's like the little bang focus camera, don't play with me. It's like the little bang, it's curled. This is half up, half down. This is up, this is down. It's really thick, but I'm not gonna take all day to like curl this wig because I don't have all day and I don't feel like doing hair all day. Like, no. But yeah, this is the style I want to go for. Come on, phone. Come on, phone. Yes, this is the YouTube video. This is her channel. That's where I got the inspo. I was like, I need somebody to show me how to do it. So I went to her and I thought, I was like, oh girl, you should come on there with your face beat, like, focus. come to serve. Like, oh, this is cute. Look at me. Y'all know I'm be taking pictures. Actually, I decided, since I worked so hard on this style, this is gonna get worn for a minute, period. This is how y'all know I really like my hair when I'm talking all crazy like this. Like, wow, I didn't think I could do it, but I did that. Yeah, I did that. And I did flat iron curls, y'all. I never did flat iron curls. Hold on. I did flat iron curls in like so long. Yeah. Now I'm finna leave the house because I decided that somebody gonna have to see me. No, I'm just playing. I need some snacks. I need some snacks. And I want some food. I want to go and get some food. I've been thinking about Royale with cheese for a minute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh my god. That bitch. I've been thinking about Royale with cheese for a minute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me. I really struggled. So subscribe and like and tell your friends. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a blessed day.